Hey everybody, need to create a Tezos wallet for your upcoming project in the Tezos ecosystem? Don't worry, the TrustSwap Launchpad team has you covered. Let's create a Tezos wallet using MetaMask. I'll walk you step by step through the process. Come on. Make sure you have the MetaMask Chrome extension installed. If you don't, head over to metamask.io and follow the instructions. Once you've installed MetaMask, you're going to want to use the Tezos Wallet Explorer at metamask.tezos.com. Click Connect with MetaMask. Your MetaMask will open a third-party software notice. Read it and accept and connect. It'll tell you which permissions you're giving Tezos MetaMask Snap by installing. Click Install and confirm. Okay, Tezos Wallet is ready to use. Allow MetaMask to access your public key and address by clicking Approve. Great, now we're able to interact with Tezos dApps as well as send and receive tokens with our MetaMask. We can also connect to Tezos domains and claim our .tez domain. In this window, we'll be able to see our Tez balance, as well as buy or send Tez. Let's hop over to Tezos domains and secure our .tez domain. Let's type in something like happy. Click on Connect Wallet, Show More, and click on the MetaMask icon from the menu. Your Tezos wallet will ask for your permission to connect to Tezos domains. Click Connect, and that's it. I'm connected. You can see my wallet address displayed at the top. And I can now make an offer on happy.tez. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to share it with your friends.